Want to get this show ad-free? Head to dailytechnewsshow.com/subscribe to find out how.
The new McCrispy Strip is here. Dip approved by ketchup, tangy barbecue, honey mustard, Sprite, McFlurry, Big Mac sauce, double dipped in buffalo and ranch, more ranch, and creamy chili McCrispy Strip Dip. Now at McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Scaling your business requires the right expertise at the right time. With Upwork, you can find specialized freelancers in marketing, development, design, and more. Posting a job on Upwork is easy. With no cost to join, you can register, browse freelancer profiles, get help drafting a job post, or even book a consultation. From there, you can connect with freelancers and easily hire them to take your business to the next level. Post a job today and hire tomorrow with Upwork. Visit Upwork.com right now and post your job for free. That is Upwork.com to post your job for free and connect with top talent ready to help your business grow. That's UPWORK.com, Upwork.com.
What does the term digital workplace mean to you? In today's world of AI, robotics, and AR, it's much more than an office full of people on computers. It can be anywhere from a factory floor to the top of a crane to the cockpit of an F1 car. Wherever your digital workplace may be, TeamViewer's mission is to make work better. How? By securely connecting your people with the data, expertise, or insights they need in real time to make work more efficient. By automating and streamlining IT and OT support to fix problems before they happen, to make work more productive. And by bringing all the possibilities of a secure and flexible digital workplace to all your people everywhere to make work more innovative. So discover how TeamViewer can make work better, wherever it happens across your business. Learn more at teamviewer.com/workbetter.
These are the Daily Tech headlines for Thursday, May 15th, 2025. I'm Rob Dunwood. Apple CEO Tim Cook's recent announcement that the company would begin importing India-manufactured iPhones to meet most of the U.S. demand has reportedly upset U.S. President Donald Trump. At a Doha Business Summit, Trump recalled urging Cook to cease production in India and increase manufacturing in the United States, stating his preference for Apple to prioritize domestic production due to India's high tariffs. While Trump claimed Apple would increase its U.S. production, he offered no specific details or timeline, and Apple has yet to comment on his remarks. Microsoft has announced the retirement of its Bing search APIs for third-party developers effective August 11th, impacting app developers and smaller search engines relying on Bing's results. While existing API instances will be decommissioned and new signups halted, Microsoft suggests developers transition to grounding with Bing search as part of Azure AI agents for web data interaction and chatbots. Despite the cutoff, Wired reports that major customers like DuckDuckGo will retain access, a move following recent price increases for Bing data access and preceding Microsoft's Build Developer Conference and the Justice Department's action against Google's ad tech business. Uber is launching RouteShare, a new feature offering discounted fixed route rides in major U.S. cities during weekday commutes starting this Wednesday. The service, available in Baltimore, Boston, Chicago, Dallas, New York City, Philadelphia, and San Francisco, allows riders to save 50% on UberX trips by booking commuter shuttles that run every 20 minutes between preset stops. The aim of RouteShare, along with other new features and discounts announced at Uber's Go Get event, is to provide more affordable transportation options and retain customers facing economic pressures, with riders able to book seats up to a week in advance and share the ride with a maximum of 2 other passengers. OpenAI has introduced a Safety Evaluations Hub, a webpage providing public updates on AI model safety metrics like hallucination rates and harmful content generation. This initiative, which follows copyright lawsuits and transparency concerns, expands on existing system cards by offering ongoing safety evaluations for models such as GPT 4.1 through 4.5. OpenAI states the hub aims to enhance understanding of their system's safety performance and improve communication, though the fact that OpenAI conducts the test and controls the shared information raises questions about the comprehensiveness of disclosures. YouTube unveiled enhanced shoppable connected TV ad formats at its upfront presentation, featuring an interactive product feed that appears alongside commercials on TV screens. This upgrade allows viewers to explore products with their remote and either scan a QR code for immediate purchase or send product links to their phones for later browsing via a press and hold function. YouTube emphasized its leadership in streaming and watch time on TVs in the U.S., citing Nielsen data and internal Q1 2025 figures, and referenced a Kantar survey indicating its strength for brand information discovery, further reporting over 50 million average monthly conversions from YouTube TV campaigns in the last quarter of 2024. ChatGPT Deep Research now offers a beta connector for ChatGPT Plus, Pro, and Team users to access Microsoft OneDrive and SharePoint with Enterprise Support Plan. This allows the AI agent to analyze files in real time, synthesize knowledge, and generate detailed reports comparable to human analysis. A new lightweight version provides varying monthly query limits for different subscription tiers. Users can connect their accounts through ChatGPT settings or the Composer, although Microsoft 365 admins need to approve the connector. This feature is currently unavailable for personal OneDrive accounts and in the European Economic Area, Switzerland, and the UK. But GitHub connector for code repositories is also available. A bipartisan bill, the Chip Security Act, has been introduced in the U.S. House of Representatives by 8 lawmakers. This bill would mandate that manufacturers of AI chips like NVIDIA incorporate technology to verify chip locations prior to export. The legislation seeks to prevent the smuggling of U.S. export-controlled AI chips into China, a concern highlighted by reports despite U.S. efforts to restrict such exports. The next generation CarPlay Ultra is launching today with new Aston Martin orders in the US and Canada. A software update will bring it to existing compatible models soon. The enhanced CarPlay offers a deeply integrated in-car experience utilizing all driver screens for real-time content and customized gauges with the automaker's design. Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis are among other automakers planning to implement CarPlay Ultra. And finally, Apple is reportedly discouraging European users from downloading iOS apps with alternative payment methods. For instance, the App Store displays a warning for the Instacar app, a Hungarian used vehicle valuation app, stating it doesn't use Apple's private and secure payment system. Critics view this as a scare tactic, especially given EU scrutiny of Apple's attempts to impede alternative app marketplaces and the Epic versus Apple ruling limiting Apple's interference with external payment links currently specific to the United States. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you enjoy the show, remember to tell a friend to check us out. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.
When you think of hot, you might think about the tragic time you ate too much wasabi. Or about getting into your car on a summer day when it feels more like stepping into a sauna. But heat can work in your favor, like during Verizon Red Hot Deal Days. Get hundreds of hot deals on all your favorites, like iPhone 16 Pro with Apple Intelligence, Apple Watch Series 10, and iPad, on any plan. Only until May 28th for new and existing customers. Offer available on My Plan. Only at Verizon.